Hey everybody, tonight we're going to have dinner at Carolina Seafood and Steaks. We've never been here, we're going to check it out. All right, let's go eat. This is the house salad. Very interesting. The bowl is a is it a cucumber?
I think so.
Yeah, it's in a cucumber bowl. Richard and I both got the house salad. Erica and Micah got the Caesar salad. It looks absolutely delicious. Okay, we'll see which one is better. Okay, our food just came out, and this is my shrimp and grits. Looks delicious. Richard, what is yours?
Mine is grouper, asparagus, and mashed potatoes.
Ooh, that looks good too. And Micah's, what is it?
Pork chop, mashed potatoes, and mac and cheese and bacon kernels.
Look at that pork chop. Oh my goodness, that looks good. And Erica?
Fettuccine Alfredo.
Fettuccine Alfredo, that looks delicious too. All right, let's dig in.
So these right here.
So we're halfway through our meal. My shrimp and grits is delicious. I'm enjoying it so far. How about you, Erica?
Oh, my fettuccine Alfredo is really good.
Yeah, it looks like you've eaten a lot of it.
I'm taking a short break.
Okay. Micah?
It's wonderful. I'm going to take a breather. It's cooked perfectly.
It looks good. How about yours? Have you enjoyed yours so far?
The grouper is great, and the asparagus is already gone, and the mashed potatoes are also delicious.
Okay, so seems like everybody's enjoying the food here so far. All right, let's keep eating. We just finished eating at Carolina Seafood and Steaks, and it was delicious. It was good. My shrimp and grits was very good. How was y'all's food?
Mine was good.
Everybody loved it?
Yep, it was great.
Yeah, very full. Okay, so if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you can follow us on all of our adventures. Thanks for watching.